Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this cool edging tool. So you can flip the blades around by removing those two screws so you have two sides to work with. It does come with a lanyard. I'm not going to use that. But how easy is this to actually just put on the side of your project and then just work it. And it's bi-directional, so you can go both ways with it. And as you can tell, I'm a little off camera, but let's bring this back in the frame. You can tell it's just taking the edge right off that piece of wood. So if you have like those pieces of wood you need to edge up real quick on a project, or even in your house if you have a shelf that you need to edge real quick, and that is nice because that takes that nice sharp edge off a piece of wood. And let's go to this side so you can see how sharp that is. And again, this is just to kind of like smooth out the edging of that project. And you can see all the wood shavings that are coming off of that. So I'll go down, come back. And again, I love how it's bi-directional. So you can go, but you can see all the shavings that takes off. Quick and easy to run down. And again, it makes a nice edge on that. And if you need it taken down a little bit more, you can just come right down and it just glides right across that piece of wood. Nice and easy. So you can even make a nicer cut down either side. So again, look at all those little shavings that came off, and it makes that nice sharp edge nice and smooth. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.